Hey, what is up everybody? My name is Pie, and today I'm going to be playing Would You Rather. Now, this video will be posted on Saturday, but I am making it, Friday night. But whatever, so let's get right into it. Be sick for the rest of your life, or kill 2 puppies. Probably be sick for the rest. Oh my god, people want to kill puppies? Oh. Oops, hold on, let me go back. Sorry about all of this. Be married to a morbidly obese and ugly person who is incredibly wealthy. Be married to a girl who's on welfare. Yeah. Only speak in haiku? I don't know. Only speak in song. Yeah. Song lyrics. Triple threat. Have triplets. Be a triplet. Wanna be a triplet? Alright. Be the CEO of a Fortune 500 company. I don't know what that is. Be the president of a prominent country. I think I'd ruin that up, so I think I'm gonna go with that. Yeah. I think a lot of people thought they'd ruin it up. Drive a smart car, drive a Lamborghini, and fill it up 4 times a week. Probably drive a smart car. Wow. Why waste money like that? Live to be 120 and accomplish nothing notable. Notable. Live to be 50 and be well known for world-changing. Yeah, 79%. Eat only salad for the rest of your life. Eat only fruits. I love fruits already. Alright, live until 80 in poverty, 40 in riches. Yeah. No! Alright, get $20,000 worth of jewelry. Get $10,000 worth of electronics. Probably $20,000 worth of jewelry. What? I should have chose electronics. I was just attracted to that 20,000. Own an Xbox 360. Yeah. Obviously. Alright, own 10,000 Mr. Potato Heads. Own 10,000. Alright. If I left a window open, I think that would drive me insane. Because they'd all just start wobbling at me, and it would be terrifying. Be a Muslim, be a Jew. I'm not gonna do that one anyways. Have 20 million YouTube subscribers, I wish. Produce a blockbuster, probably that. I wish I had 20 million. It's probably never gonna happen. Nope. Alright, here we go. If it was picture day, what would you rather wear? Alright, only underwear, a costume of your opposite gender. My underwear. Oh. Well. Alright. Catch your best male friend sleeping with your mom. Catch your best male friend sleeping with your sister. I don't know why I chose that, but still. Be known for interrupting Taylor Swift. Be known for smacking Rihanna. Oh. Well. If you could play one game, play a 10-day trial of World of Warcraft. No, I hate World of Warcraft. Play RuneScape forever even without a full membership. I've never played RuneScape, so I don't know. Dance like Michael Jackson. Sing like Freddie Mercury. Dance like Michael Jackson. It's not letting me pick. There we go. Yeah. People agree. It's not really what people agree with you. It's like your opinion. So whatever. Have no eyebrows. have a unibrow. I think I'd look stupid with no eyebrows. Well, be on an episode of Cops, be on an episode of Cheaters. Let's go Cops, yeah! Have to kill an animal for any meat you eat. Never eat meat again. Wow. I mean, you probably get, like, weird if you don't eat meat. Okay, eat a container of butter at you. Drink. Oh, but they're both so nasty. How could you eat a... Ugh. If I had to go with one, I'd probably go with that, but still, yeah. Have a massive head compared to your body. Always have a bowl cut. I don't know. Bowl cut? Yeah. Can you just get it fixed whenever you want? Eat 25 toenails, nasty. Sit on a tablespoon of... Probably that. Just to get it done quicker or something. I mean, seriously. Go to prison for 5 years, watch every episode of Full House. I mean, I'd probably go insane, but yeah. Eat fast food burgers every night. Eat probably Chinese takeout, yeah. Oh, your stomach, man. Your stomach. Be convicted as a corrupt politician. As a corrupt Fortune 500. Yeah. Have all fingernails and toenails removed quickly. Deep paper cups on webbing. Oh, on the webbing between each finger. Oh. Ugh. Oh, that just makes you cringe. Oh. Personal chef. Have personal... I don't know what that is. Yeah. Living in a giant shoe, or live in a giant shoe, live in a giant peach. Giant peach. Peaches smell good. Oh, frick. I don't want to go down to the comments. No. What the heck? Go. No. No. What are you doing? There we go. No, let me fix this. Come on, man. Alright, there we go. Read a book. Probably see the movie. Like the Hunger Games, I don't read the books. I just see the movies and that's it. And, what else? A couple other things. Have your life be narrated by Morgan Freeman? That would be awesome. Have your life... James... I don't know who that is. Morgan Freeman. I don't know how to do his voice. Have the first name, quote, Cletus, and quote. Have the first name, quote, Rusty, quote, Rusty. Obviously. Come on. Eat moldy, frick. Go back. Come on. Eat moldy toast, 1 slice. Eat moldy grapes, a small bunch. 1 slice. Yeah. Oh, but that would just be nasty. Meet your future self, meet your future kids. My future kids. Oh. Alright. Have a real lightsaber, save a random African kid from starvation. Obviously. Wow. Dude, come on. Honestly. 50% of your body burned, have 100% of your body tattooed. Every part of you would be tattooed. 50% of my body burned. 68? Dang. Only Come on. Always, or only listen to the Beatles, only listen to the Rolling Stones. I don't know, Rolling Stones. Oh, alright, or not. Or not. Always disappoint people, always anger people. Disappoint or anger. Disappoint. Always anger people. I already do that. I already make people mad. Be hysterically funny. Be absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah. Yeah. Have to get around on all fours at all time. Only make anal noises. I'd probably do that anyways. JK. I don't know. Be as you are now. Have $100 million. That's not how you write dollar. I hate it when people do it like that. $100 million. It's just 100 million. Come on. But have a 5% chance of instant death. I'm good as I am right now. Wow. Half those people just died. I don't know. Be sucked into Terraria. Be sucked into Minecraft. Minecraft. Yeah. If you're Winchester Brothers, Sam or Dean? Sam. Aren't they from like Supernatural? Yeah. Be married to Justin Bieber. I think I go insane. Harry Styles. Ugh. Justin Bieber. I don't know. Oh, a lot of people wanted Harry Styles. I don't know. Marry at age 10. Never marry at all. Age 10. I don't know. Be able to fly, be able to breathe underwater. Ooh. Ooh. I'd like to do both of those. Breathe underwater. Well. Not a lot of people agreed with me breathing underwater. Perform petty thievery for a living. Perform great art. See, I don't know these big words, man. I don't know them. Be a pirate, be a ninja. Obviously a ninja. Who wouldn't want to be a ninja? Duh. Come on. Be forced to watch My Little Pony for 24 hours. I go insane. Have the things probably that, man. Ugh. I can only imagine it. All-time greatest. Mathematician or writer? Mathematician. Oh. Or not. Or not. That's fine too. You know. Know everything. Be the ruler of everything. Know everything. I already do know everything. No, I don't. I know nothing. Buy PS4. I already have PS4. Yeah. Come on. Have your best dream and the worst nightmare come true. Never have any of your dreams come true. Probably that, I mean. Yeah, I have weird dreams sometimes. Always get caught in traffic. Always have really bad... I'd never be able to upload videos with really bad internet. Become a superhero, obviously. I wouldn't become a supervillain. I'm not like that. Be stung by 20 bees in random locations. Have each shin kicked hard 10 times. Probably have each shin kicked. Come on. And this is gonna be the last one. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like and be sure to subscribe. So thank you all for watching. And right when I'm done with this, have uncontrollable diarrhea. And wow, 50-50. And I will see you guys in the next video.